So we got a little project going on here. Somebody brought us this car, a friend of ours. It was all in pieces. I just thought of making a video of it, but it was all apart. No fenders, no hood, no bumper, no nothing on it. So we just installed the windshield. We installed all this front, the whole front clip. Let me show you what's in here. Put this Alston kit in, put these aprons on, installed all this here. Put those rubber boots on there. Put the hood on. Josh is getting the rear window ready to get put in. Nice tinted glass. A nice little 62. We put the trunk moldings on, the rear bumper, tail lights. So we're getting ready to put the back glass in it. And the way the back glass goes on is same as the front. It's got a windshield rubber seal that goes all the way around it. And then we got to put the rope in it and pull it in. The front one has a molding that goes in. It's just like the Ford or Falcon and Comet. It's the same thing. But the molding goes on first, right? All that molding goes into the rubber, and then the whole thing gets sucked into the whole car as a unit. Now on this one gets sucked into the car, but then the moldings go on with these little clips. So we're gonna actually change all these clips. These clips are all nasty, so we're gonna just change them all. He's got new ones, and we're gonna put that back together real quick. All right. So we gotta put soapy water on there. Soapy water on here real quick. The rope is in place. This goes on the wrong side. Over there. This inside there.
Yeah, put it on the inside. It's gotta come over my way. So. Make sure all this is down and stuff.
Wait, we came back off.
Got it?
Yeah, the glass came out.
No, it's good.
Right, like that. Okay. Now.
Where'd that crate go run over there?
Can you video in here? So see this lip? This is just a lip where the package tray goes under, but there's another lip that has to come around the actual car. So you start up here, and you're gonna pull down.
Hang on, you pulling it?
Yeah. Now he's gonna put pressure on the outside. Like that. Which way you want to go? This way first?
Sure.
Is it going?
Yep.
Right?
Yep. Yeah.
All right. There it goes. All right. That goes goes in there. So now, see how this goes in here? As I pull it, all right, and as he's pulling it, and then it goes in. All right. Yep. Is it going?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Alright. It's gotta go like that. So we put all the molding on. All came out nice. And we did the weather stripping around the doors. And we got a latch. I gotta fix the latch on this side. And then we could have the door closed. The other side's done. Put the weather stripping on this side. This door is done. So that's all done. That's it. Molding's on the front. Get that latch done, and then he can come and get it and have the interior all done, and whatever else he's gonna do to it.